Good morning and welcome. Today I will introduce you to the pallet collar system, a modular and versatile packaging solution, ideal for storage and transportation needs that require flexibility and practicality. Pallet collar is a reusable folding collar modular system. The high-quality dried wood slats and galvanized steel hinges ensure strength and durability, while the modular design allows for the creation of custom crates based on your specific needs. With a capacity of 175 liters per element and the absence of nails, it is an easy-to-assemble and disassemble system. Perfect for creating custom packaging, with the ability to adapt to standard-sized pallets, such as EPAL ones. It is a system of foldable modular collars, equipped with galvanized steel hinges, and made of lightweight materials. Compliant with ISPM 15 FAO phytosanitary regulations. Imagine having to ship a series of equipment for trade shows. The pallet collar system is perfect for containing and protecting delicate components, such as printing machines or electronic devices, which require flexible and secure packaging. Thanks to its ability to adapt to different sizes, it provides excellent protection during transport while maintaining an easily customizable design. If the pallet collar system is the right solution for your transportation needs, contact us for more information.